How's it going, everybody? Welcome back, and let's talk about transitions in Svelte. So this is something we are super lucky to have right out of the box, and it's so easy to implement. So let's take a look. With our code, we have a local variable assigned to a Boolean. We have a toggle function. This toggle function is being referenced in the onClick handler. And we also have some conditional rendering right here. So as you see, if I just toggle this, you're going to see it and not see it. Now, what we can do is we can go into the script tag and we can import fade. This is the first one we're going to look at. And with fade, this gives us an ability to add a transition right on the tag that we wanted to apply to, which is really nice. And so as you see, just with a little bit of code, you're seeing a fading effect on that paragraph element. Now, if we want to take full advantage of this transition, what we're going to do is we are going to pass an object to fade. All right. So we are going to add properties to this object. And one property we can add is delay. So let's go ahead and delay this 500 milliseconds. Take a quick look. Okay. So click, delay, and then it comes in, right? Click, and then it fades after half a second. Now, another one we can work with is duration. And let's go ahead and give it 1500 milliseconds. All right. So we click, there's a delay, and then a slower or a longer duration for kind of a slower effect, which is really nice. Okay. And we have a couple other options here that we can play with. So whenever you use transition just like this, that's going to apply to in and out. If you want it to just apply for the in step, you can do that. So let's go ahead and take this off, and then boom, now it's fading in after a delay, right? And let's just get some reps in here without. Okay. And as you see, it's fading out over a second and a half after a delay. Okay, awesome. So now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to change this back to transition, and we're going to use a different one. We are going to use fly. Ooh, this is super cool. And let's go ahead and take a look. So we have delay, we have duration, but what we can also use is we can use X and Y. So we have X. Let's go ahead and just say 30. Okay. Let's take a look here. So as you see, you're getting some type of movement, which is super nice, very smooth. And let's go ahead and extend this to 80, just to have a little bit of an exaggerated movement. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. And we have all of these available. And as you guessed, we can use Y as well. So this is super useful, and we don't have to do any CSS magic. We are just using these right out of the box with a simple and easy import. So that is a good introduction into transitions in Svelte. I hope you found this useful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you in the next one.